Thank you, Valeria, for the floor. On my turn, I give the floor to Dr. Federico Bernardi, that is the second in charge here at the embassy, because unfortunately the ambassador is out of Dakar for different tasks. So I let Dr. Bernardi to open this meeting with a welcome few words.
Thank you, Mr. Cavallo. Thank you, Professor Chiodò. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed mathematicians and statisticians, on behalf of Ambassador De Vito, who is currently outside Dakar, I'm particularly pleased to welcome you to this online conference aimed at fostering the scientific partnership between Italy and West Africa in mathematics and statistics. After the previous seminars and events, with this meeting of scientific diplomacy, Italy confirms its interest in promoting collaboration and partnership in science and higher education with the countries of West Africa. Today, the meeting is dedicated to mathematics, the universal language of the universe. It has been the cornerstone of human progress for centuries. It shapes every aspect of our lives, and its role in defining our future is vital. Supporting scientists and researchers to drive innovation and progress to overcome the technological, environmental, and societal challenges of our society faces. We believe that with this meeting, we will be able to foster a platform for intellectual discussion in order to exchange ideas, to present research, and engage in fruitful discussions among Italian and Western African scientists. I'm confident that this event will contribute to unlock new possibilities of cooperation and partnership between West African countries and Italy concerning research and higher education for reciprocal benefit and growth. I thank the Politecnico di Torino for hosting this webinar and all the speakers who agreed to share their expertise and insights during this meeting, and the audience who gathered here today to attend this event. I wish you a fruitful and successful meeting. May it be able to foster borderless cooperation and spark collaboration through knowledge exchange and mutual learning. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Bernardi. I say a few words about this meeting. So, from my side, welcome and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Bernardi for the introduction to this conference. My name is Eugenio Cavallo, and I have been serving as scientific attaché at the Italian Embassy in Dakar for a little over than a year. I am a scientific researcher, and my task in my position is to promote cooperation and integration between Italy and West African countries through the so-called scientific diplomacy. As Dr. Bernardi highlighted, the strong desire of the Italian government to foster closer relations with the countries of West Africa and the promotion of scientific and technological cooperation is one of the identifying means to achieve this objective. This event, jointly organized by the Politecnico di Torino and the Italian Embassy in Dakar, aims to showcase and raise awareness and knowledge and skills in mathematics and statistics in West Africa. Additionally, it seeks to create opportunities for cooperation with Italian research and education institutions that are active in this field. The Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs International Cooperation provides resources to facilitate this integration. Currently, there is a program that offers financial support for the mobility of foreign professors and researchers who wish to undertake a short period of study and research in Italy. Please note that this short stay have to be completed before the end of October. If anybody of you is interested in taking advantage of this program, please do not hesitate to contact me. I conclude my introduction by thanking the speaker for the various institutions who will contribute to this meeting. I now give the floor to the first of the speaker, and in my turn, I wish all of you a very successful meeting. Thank you.